channel. My name's Jim, and this is What Did I Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe from Big Sky Models. I think this is my third video, and I'm trying to get on track to at least put something up every week. With that, I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, and I'll show you what I've purchased this week. Is this Revell 1964 GTO. It's a kit I've been wanting to get, which I finally got one. Shows you building it stock and then of course modified, which of course I'll be doing modified. And not sure colors yet or anything like that. Might even build it as a gasser with straight front axle. We will see. But that goes on the stash for now. Let me bring this one over. Sit this here. This AMT 69 Yenko Camaro. I kind of bought by accident. I didn't realize it was AMT, but that's okay. I can always build another Camaro. And it's nice. I've got a friend that has built, I think, 5 Yenkos in his time. He's taken, I think, 4 Novas and a Chevelle and turned them all into Yenkos and really did a nice job on all of them. And I'll probably do this. He never built a Camaro, so here we go. I picked that up, and then there's this one here. This Revell 69 Z28. It's a 1990 edition. Picked it up on eBay. This one I'm going to be, I purchased this to do the USAC build 2026. There'll be another video unboxing and officially entering that group build. It'll be my first. I'm pretty excited, and I've got big plans for this. All right, that's the 3 kits. From Tamiya, I got their gray surface primer, which I kind of use for everything. I really like this, even though I airbrush all my paints and clears. I really like starting out with this. It works fine. This is called Wood Deck Can. It's my favorite spray for the interiors. So I was running out and I picked that up. And then here's XF16. That's the flat aluminum. I've got one here, but it's getting low. I figured I'd pick one up for stock. You know, you can't have enough. That's my purchases from Tamiya. Next will be, I bought 2 sets of wheels from Jay's Resin Wheels, who without doubt is my favorite wheel printer. I buy almost all my wheels from him. This set here, I'm not sure what they're called, but for the Camaro build, possibly may use these. I think they're pretty nice looking. I don't know if you can see them, it's kind of dark. Maybe here like this. And here's the fronts. Width difference, there's the 2 wheels difference in width. That's the reason why I got them. I kind of like the wheel, but I also like the size of the tires. Leave that here. Let me open this one. This one, which I wish came with deeps just like this one did, but it doesn't. But the wheel itself, I don't know if you can see it up close or not. It looks very similar to the early 70 69 era Trans Am wheel. I just wish that it came with 2 different size tires, but it doesn't. But I'll see what I can do. So I bought these 2 sets of wheels for this Camaro. That gives you an idea what I'm going to be building. And that's everything I bought Wednesday. All right. So, I will have some updates later on the week. I finished the build for the Burgers and Beer group build. That's done. I filmed that. That'll be coming up shortly. I will be getting that 77 Pinot painted sometime this week, as soon as I get some time. And I'll be unveiling this for that USAC build. Plus, I've got 2 videos coming up for my big 1/8 scale builds I'm doing for a Hatchet and Fan Home. The 66 Batmobile and the 73 Mad Max Falcon. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Hope everybody's well out there. Hope everybody's enjoying building their models. And I'm going to try to do at least three videos a week, if not more. And I'm kind of caught up now with a lot of things. Things are going good here at home. And not that we had any problems, it's just that sometimes you get overwhelmed. Still working 40 hours a week, which someday I'm going to retire. If I stop spending money, I can retire. But you know, things happen. If anybody's interested in a shop card, here's my shop card. Hit me up with your address, email me, and I'll send you a card and a sticker. Until then, if you can, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next video, peace, and I'll talk to you later. Adios.